Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a cinematic video in CapCut. So first open your CapCut app and import the clip you want to work with, then drag it to your timeline. Now there are two ways from which you can apply a cinematic effects and adjust brightness and saturation and all these adjustments. One is you go to this tab, adjust. You have to select your video first and then you do what you want to do. For example, if you want to adjust saturation or contrast, you just do whatever you want to do and then you apply to all clips. Let's say if this is a separate clip and this one is a separate clip, then if you apply, let's say you apply this one in this clip and you apply to all, and then this effect will be applied to all the clips. Now this is one way, but I prefer the other way, which is way easier and which is way less complicated. So that way is you go to the adjustment tab and then you drag and drop this custom adjustment in the first of your video, as most of us needs to edit the video and apply the adjustment effects on the all of the videos. So I would like to do that, and then after you're done dragging and dropping this, select it and this bar will pop up. Now you just need to do three things in order to make a video cinematic, and we're just going to work with lightness. Effects and colors are your preference. If you want to make a video, let's say cold, then you would mess with the temperature, and warm, then you would mess with the tint and saturation. But in general, if you want to, okay, first we need to remove this one, all the other effects from this video. So we're just gonna select that and we're just gonna make everything 0 and apply to all. Now what we're gonna do is simple. We're just going to work with lightness, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this down to 10, and then we're going to bring the shadow down to 5, and we're going to bring the contrast up to 5. This is the basic cinematic setting you need to use. I can show you the before and after for this setting. Let's say this is without this. If you click this one, then this is showing the track without the effects. So if I play, now if I play the same video with just the 3 adjustment that I did, you can see the difference between these two. You can see the difference between these two, and all of the other features are up to you. If you want to add highlights, you can add highlights. If you want to add less highlights, then it's gonna make your clip darker. If you want to bring the blacks up, then all the black areas of your videos will get less black. As you can see, it's getting white. And if you bring the back down, then all the black areas of your video will get even blacker. Same goes with white. And then exposure, this is a really important one. If you bring the exposure up, then basically this works as brightness of your video, so the brightness of your video will go up if you bring this up, and then if you bring this down, then your video is going to get darker. But this three thing, contrast, shadow and brilliance, this is what you need to make a video cinematic, as you can see. And then the rest is up to you. Let's say if you want to make a video where you want to give off a warm vibe, then you can just select your adjustment layer and you can mess with the temperature. As you can see, if you make it yellowish, you can mess with the tint. then the clip will get warmer. And then if you want to make the clip colder, then again you can mess with the temperature, and it will make your clip look a bit colder. And after you're done with it, you just have to click save, you just have to click export, and you will be able to export your project from here. Thank you for watching.